Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about this is the last problem, 25th problem, April 2nd, shift 1 exam. So, given integral of 0 to 2 root 3 logarithm of base 2 x square plus 4 dx plus 2 to 4 square root of 2 power x minus 4 dx. We need to find this is alpha square we need to find. Look, don't panic about these problems. Because of it is very easy problem. Look, here f of x is equal to logarithm of base 2 x square plus 4. So f inverse of x is equal to, how to there is equal to x, send to this side 2 power x and plus 4 minus 4 and the square root was send. So f inverse of x is equal to 2 power x minus 4. So this function same, and it is f of x. So it is of a to b f of x dx is equal dx plus integral of f of a to f of b f inverse of x dx is equal to b into f of b minus a into f of a. It is the formula. So use the formula. B value here, b value 2 root 3 into f of b. Apply logarithm log of x square 2 root 3 whole square means 12 plus 4 16 base 2 minus a value 0 t 0. So 2 root 3 log of 2 power 4 base 2. So 8 root 3. The answer is alpha is equal to 8 root 3. Alpha square is equal to 8 square 64. 3s are 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. 19 192 answer.
Please subscribe our channel for getting more videos.